Today, we're talking about Apple Notes versus Notion. Two amazing tools, but built for completely different types of people and workflows. If you're wondering which one fits you better, or if you should use both, this breakdown will help you decide. Let's start with Apple Notes. It's simple, fast, and instantly ready the moment you open your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. There's no setup, no learning curve, and no complicated features to figure out. You just open a note and type. It's perfect for quick thoughts, grocery lists, reminders, or something you need to jot down immediately. The search is fast, the sync is reliable, and the interface stays out of your way. Apple Notes feels like a digital notebook, clean, lightweight, and intuitive. But when you need something more powerful, something that can hold systems instead of just notes, that's where Notion comes in. Notion is like a full workspace. It can hold pages, databases, calendars, tasks, habits, planners, and dashboards all in one place. If Apple Notes is a scratchpad, Notion is a full command center. You can build project trackers, finance dashboards, goal-setting systems, content planners, literally anything you want, because Notion is designed to be completely customizable. The difference becomes clear when you're trying to organize your life. In Apple Notes, you can add folders and tags, but everything is still basically a list of notes. In Notion, you can connect pages together, automate workflows, create template buttons, and view your information in different ways, like tables, boards, timelines, and galleries. It transforms your data into something structured and visual. Apple Notes wins when it comes to speed. Nothing beats tapping the app, typing a quick thought, and locking your phone. It's the perfect instant note-taking tool. But Notion wins when it comes to organization. If you want something long-term, like journaling, task management, studying, or planning a project, Notion gives you structure that Apple Notes just can't. One thing people love about Apple Notes is its simplicity. It feels familiar, and it works beautifully across Apple devices. Notion, on the other hand, works everywhere, on Windows, on Android, on the web, and offers a lot more flexibility. But that flexibility comes with a learning curve. Some people open Notion for the first time and feel overwhelmed because there's just so much you can build. So how do I decide which one to use? It really comes down to intent. If I need quick notes, ideas, or things I need to remember right now, I use Apple Notes. If I'm building a system, whether it's a task manager, a finance tracker, a habit log, or a content calendar, I use Notion. In fact, the two can work together. You can capture ideas fast in Apple Notes, then organize them properly inside Notion later. At the end of the day, Apple Notes is best for simple, fast note-taking. Notion is best for structure, planning, and long-term organization. They're both powerful in their own way. You just need to choose the one that fits the way your mind works.